Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today's chapter is Chapter 7 Cubes and Cube Roots. I am going to discuss exercise 7.2, that is of cube roots. Let's begin with question number 1. Question number 1. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Our first question, 64. So we can find the prime factorization of 64. So we get 64 equal to 2 into 2 into, that is 6 times 2 are multiplied. Here we are finding out cube root of 64. Cube root means we are making a group of 3. Here we are making a group of 3. So I am getting 1, 2 is getting here a group of 3. Another group of 3 is there with a 2. So I am getting 2 groups of number 2. So the answer will be, from each group we can take one number. From this group I am taking this 2 multiplied by another group of 3 is there. From that one more number I am taking. So the answer will be 2 into 2 equal to 4. That our next question, cube root of 64. We are finding the cube root by prime factorization. So first do the prime factors of 512. We are getting 2 multiplied by 9 times. Our next step is make a group of 3. Here I am making one group of 3. Again I am making a second group and I am getting one more group. So from first group I am taking one number, that is 2, and from the second group I am taking the number again 2, and from third group also I can take 1, 2. That is, if I am taking cube root from 3 numbers of the same, we have to take one number outside. Hence the answer will be the product, that is 2 into 2 into 2 will give 8. So 8 will be the answer, that is cube root of 512 is 8. Next is 10,648. We will do the prime factorization of 10,648. We get the prime factors as 222 and 1111. Next step, we are making a group of 3. So I am getting a group of 3 of number 2 and I am getting another group of 3, that is of number 11. Now finding cube root of 10,648, from each group we can take one number. So from first group I am taking this 2 and from the second group I am taking 11. Now the product will be the answer, that is 2 into 11 is 22. Hence cube root of 10,648 equal to 22. Next question, 27,000. We can find the prime factorization of 27,000. So the prime factors are 3 2's multiplied by 3 3's multiplied by 3 5's. And in the next step I am making a group of 3. I am getting one group, another group of 3, that is of with the number 3, and the third group of 3 is by making the number 5. And while finding the cube root, from each group I can take one number. So from the first group I got 2, and from the second group I got 3, and from the third group I got 5. Now cube root of 27,000 will be the product of 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 30. That is cube root of 27,000 equal to 30. Next is 15,625. We can make the prime factors of 15,625. While doing the prime factorization, we are getting 6 5s multiplied. Now the next step, making a group of 3. So first 3 5 I will make a group, and again a set of 5s are there. Again 3 5 will form a group. So from each group we can take one number. So from the first group I got 5, and from the second group also I again getting one more 5. So the cube root of 15,625 will be 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. Therefore, cube root of 15,625 is 25. Next is 13,824. Do the prime factorization carefully. Then we get the prime factors as 9 2's multiplied by 3 3's. Next step, we can make a group of 3. One group of 3, second group of 3, third group of 3, and I am getting fourth group of 3. And from the first group of 3, we can take one number, that is 2. From the second group of 3, we can take another number, that is again 2. And from the third group of 3, we are getting the number 2 only. And from the fourth group of 3, we are getting the number 3. So the cube root of 13,824 is the product of these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 gives 8 into 3, that is 24. Hence the cube root of 13,824 is 24. Now I think you are able to do the remaining sums. Please do yourself and cross check. So the next question is 1,10,592. First we can do the prime factorization of 1,10,592. We are getting 12 2's multiplied by 3 3's. Next step, to make a group of 3. So I am making one group of 3, second group of 3, third group of 3, fourth group and fifth group of 3. And the next step is from each group take one number. Here from the first group I am getting 1 2, and from the second group also I am getting one more 2, and from the third group I am getting 2 again, and from the fourth group also I am getting one more 2, and from the last group I am getting 3. Now the cube root of 1,10,592 is the product of these numbers. That is, the product will be 16 multiplied by 3, that gives 48. Hence, the cube root of 1,10,592 will be 48. Next question, 46,656. First we have to do the prime factorization. So the prime factors of 46,656 are 6 2's multiplied by 6 3's. Our next step is to make a group of 3. Here I am getting one group of 3. Again I am getting one more group of 3. This is the third group of 3 and this is fourth group of 3. In the next step, from each group you can take one number. So from the first group I am getting 2. And from the second group also I am getting one more 2. And the third group of 3 is with the number 3 only. So I am getting 3. And fourth group, from fourth group also I am getting one number, that is 3. Hence the cube root of 46,656 will be the product of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 4 into 9, 36. Hence the cube root of 46,656 will be 36. And the next question, 1,75,616. First we have to do the prime factorization of 1,75,616. The prime factors are 9 2's multiplied by 3 7's. And in the next step we have to make a group of 3. So first I am making a group of 3, and again I am making a group of 3, and one more number with 2 I can make the group of 3, and the last group of 3 will be using number 7. And the next step is, from each group we can take one number to get the cube root. So from the first group I am getting 1, 2. Second group is also formed with the number 2 only. So from there I am getting one more 2. And the third group I am getting with the number 2 only. So from there also I am getting 3. And from the last group is formed with the number 7. Hence from there I am getting one number as 7. Hence the cube root of 46,656 will be the product of these numbers. That is the product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. That is 8 into 7 equal to 56. Hence the cube root of 46,656 will be 56. Our next question, 91,125. First find the prime factors of 91,125. We get 6 3's are multiplied by 3 5's. That is the prime factorization of 91,125. Now we have to make a group of 3. So here first 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 will form one group. Next 3 3's will form second group, and next 3 5's will form the third group. Now we have to find the cube root of 91,125. For that, from each group we have to take one number outside, because we are finding the cube root. So from a group of 3 we can pick out one number. So from the first group we are getting 3. From the second group we are getting again 3. And the third group is with the number 5. Hence we are getting 5. Therefore the cube root of 91,125 will be the product of these numbers. 3 into 3 into 5 is 45. Hence cube root of 91,125 will be 45. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share.